the best thing I think about having your own farm is you have a lot of control over the quality of your produce. Not only is the produce very fresh for our customers on their plate, but also we get to take care of it. We know, how it's growing. We know the seeds we're using. We really like the fact that we're a part of the entire supply chain. And it's also great because we have a lot of different cuisines. So to be able to grow a lot of different herbs, we have it under one roof. It was amazing to have the kind of recognition from an internationally acclaimed list like the Forbes Under 30. I think it, no matter how much passion and purpose you have, that sort of validation is always, it makes you feel better, it makes you want to push yourself more. On the terrace, it's very seasonal because, we don't have any temperature control. So it's all at the mercy of the season. So we have to be very careful of seasonality. So there's certain things that are very conducive to Mumbai weather, but I'll tell you what's not conducive to Mumbai weather is my racks were made of, they were made of this really nice metal, and every year I have to change them because they rot because of the sea air. We're growing lots of different types of basil. We also grow our own lemongrass. We grow ajwain and peppermint and mint, parsley, and a lot of the other herbs like oregano and thyme. Now here's something really interesting that we grow on our farm. We have our own blue pea flowers, and these flowers are really versatile and act as a natural food dye. So when you add them in hot water, they actually release the blue color into the water, and when you add a couple of drops of lemon, they react with the blue pea flower and actually become a beautiful purple color. So the fact that we have our own farm and we control a lot of our own supply chain gave me that freedom to actually do what I love to do in this space. And that's what makes Scandinavian special, that it comes out of the love for this idea of eating well.